Please welcome, originally from Maryland, Steph Davis, now residing in Moab, Utah.
It's a very exciting day around here. Oh yes, because I just got a box of KAVU spring and summer clothes for 2020, and everything's amazing. All of it is so great. So I just wanted to pull out a few of my very favorite things for this season. And definitely one of them is the Sand Blas overalls with this greenhouse fabric, and it's a bunch of cacti and succulents all over them. These things are so great because first of all, they're not hot. In the summer you can just wear a tank top, kind of like shorter legs to your ankles. They have pockets, and you have to be feeling friendly because everybody you see that day is going to come up and be like, "Where did you get those? They're amazing." So these are really great. This Lenora Dress is so good for summer because it's just comfortable. It's like if you just feel like wearing pajamas all day but you want to look good, then this is it. This is the dress. It's really stretchy and soft and light and just easy. This tank top, KAVU's had this for a long time.
Wow.
The Isla Tank top with these cool little straps in the back. Really comfortable, always looks great, whether you're just kind of kicking it or you're trying to dress up a little bit. This new color I really like, Skydive Blue. This is one of my favorite colors. So that's pretty awesome. And the Heartland Tank, super light, super soft, super cute little coyote guy on the front. Kind of like my little wild coyote wolf critter. What do you think, Station? Want to be a t-shirt? Oh yes, you do, don't you? This is also really awesome. This is actually new, the Tuva shirt. I like this because it's kind of like a sleeveless t-shirt, you know? Sort of retro, and yeah, I really like this because if you're climbing, you have a gear sling on or something, just a little more in your shoulders, you know? A little higher neck. This is awesome.
Yeah!
These shorts are amazing. This is the Taos. They are light. They have a really stretchy waist that is not going to like pinch your stomach all over the place. Pockets on both sides, just super soft. You can almost get light, you know, through the fabric. It's not like a tight weave, it's just really light and soft. So these are really, really nice. These pants I also like. This is new, so I gotta see what the name is. Oh, the Tela. These are really nice. Super light fabric, pockets, little bungees on the ankles. They're not going to make you hot, which is awesome for summer pants. These are going to be really nice to wear when it's hot. Now this thing, Nantucket Spring Glacier, perfect size, my favorite colors, shoulder strap, front pocket. This is like, if I could have one thing this season, it would definitely be this bag. And also this one's really fun, the Heritage Tote fruit salad. Super awesome colors, yet another one of my favorite colors, along with really just fun accent colors. The bottom is this really tough fabric, so wow. If you take this thing and put it in like the footwell of your car, it's gonna be fine. So I like this a lot. And then, of course, new Chillba. These hats are so good for just floating down the river, hiking, when it's super sunny. And these colors this season are amazing. I love this. This hat is never going away. So yeah, awesome stuff for spring, summer 2020. Just getting excited for it to be warm and get out and play.